Hey everyone, Travis at Rob Family Farm again. We are in the truck headed to the feedlot. It is the New Year weekend. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. So we're getting to today. It's turned off cold and it's supposed to get snow flurries tonight, and the wind's supposed to be gusting 30 miles an hour. It is not right now though. It is still as can be out there. But I think I have seen some snow flurries already. Is it possibly an inch? Supposed to be north of us, not here, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, we're gonna head to the feedlot, get a load of feed, stop by the part store, get a bolt. Got a light bar for the front of the mule here because the headlights aren't that great. So one of the kids got me a light bar for Christmas. I'm gonna get 2 bolts to mount it with, and then if the wind's not picked up, we might. I've been burning some brush back there in the pig pen. We might burn a little bit more there. I got my head back on my car last night, not completely, but I got the head on it, so we might get into that today too. I'm not sure yet, as cold as it is. So we'll get to the feedlot, get filled up, and see what else we can get into. I'll come back here and check the fire real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all. I went ahead and cut some of these trees off about chest high. Let some light in here, help dry some of this out, and that's what I've gotten burnt. So I just done that the other day right after we got done splitting wood. I come through there and just cut a bunch of this. You can see that one. That'll be my next fire spot right there. But this is really all I got left of the old chicken house. It's just a little pile of wood right here. Cut that big tree. I plan on cutting that one. Finish cutting that one off. That one I'm gonna cut for firewood. That one's gonna be cut. That little one right there is gonna be cut. I'll finish cutting that one. That whole, not the brushy stuff, but that tree right there, it'll be cut down. Most of this down through here is all gonna be cut down eventually. But once I get the pigs taken to the processor, probably February, I'm thinking now. I measured them the other day and they're not quite big enough yet. So then we'll wait till middle of February. Once they're taken to the processor, I'm gonna come here with a tractor. That's all metal that I gotta take to the scrapyard. I'll come in here and smoothing all this up, push it up. I'm gonna end up taking out all this block wall here, all the way around. It's missing right there already, but it starts back right there. So I'll take it all the way back to the corner of the pig pen, and I'll come over here. And for now, just right there where that compost pile is, right there, I'll take it from there this way. That's my plan anyway. Up through there, eventually I hope, from the corner of the pig pen up to the barn, I hope to be all barn one day. So I'm gonna leave that foundation for now, see if I can use it. But yeah, still got some trash and stuff in here to clean up. We're getting there. Go back and watch our first video till now. Big difference. A little at a time. They still got a little bit of a hay bomb back there, the pigs do. And then I also put one right here by their shelter. Y'all seen in the other video, and they're loving it. They've got it tore down, and it is flurrying. I just seen a snow flurry. They've got it tore down and tore off and got them a nice little bed in there. So, and they love that charcoal. Once I burn that wood, they get in there and eat it up as soon as it cools off. So I'm not gonna put no more on that right now. When I get back, get the feed unloaded, if the wind ain't picked up, I'll try to get some more burnt. See, this is more metal that I've been finding in all this. All right, let's get to the feedlot. Well, struck out at the feedlot. I got up there, they were closed, so I ran by the parts store, got a seal for my car, and then got the bolts for the light bar on the side-by-side. I got some longer bolts than what came with it. So, and the wind has picked up. So burning is out of the question for right now anyway. So, got these milk crates in the building. I'm gonna put them up on my little junk holder shelf here and make some shelves out of them, try to stack some stuff up. And then I'm gonna check with a guy over here that usually gets some bulk feed for chickens, layers, and stuff like that. I'm gonna see if he's got any layer feed and see if I can go over there and get a load over there today. Then I'm gonna go down here and check this hay bale in this barn right back there, see how long it is if I need to replace it, because I'm gonna take off the hay spear off the tractor and put the bucket and the forks on it and try to go get a load of logs since it's nice and windy and ain't a whole lot I can do. I'm gonna try to at least go get a load of logs and get them cut up and get ready to split. So if the wife wants to split tomorrow for a little while, we can do that. Like I said, the wind's blowing, so she may not want to. That's what I got going on so far. So we'll get this unloaded and then we'll see if we can get some logs moved. Alright, let's walk down here and check this bale. See if I need to grab one and bring it out here. The back one looks good. I can see it right through there. Might go ahead and drag this pasture this evening. Let's see if I can. All right, that'll last them till tomorrow, and I can change it out tomorrow. Come here. Come on. Here comes Jasper. Jasper. What is it, girl? She ain't too sure about me today. All right, well, we'll go change everything out since you don't need a bell back. Well, I got some layer feed. Called the guy, he had plenty. So ran over there real quick, grabbed 20 bags. If I had room to store more, if I had a barn or something to put it in, I'd buy a whole pallet at a time from him. Sells it cheap. So it's probably a quarter of what Tractor Supply sells it, and cheaper than the Farmers Exchange. So I want to get back, unload it, and get change the bucket out on the tractor, get the bucket on the tractor, and get some wood moved, maybe get some logs cut up. And then I've got an idea on the barn, the top of the barn. It's got that gap from the top roof to the side roof, the little lean-tos. Water kind of splashes in there, blows in there from the top. So I've got an idea, and I want to see if I've got the material to do it today. So moving wood, getting wood cut up, ready to split tomorrow, and then maybe get that barn sealed up at the top there. But we'll see when we get home. Alright, y'all seen that I brought, I think it was 3 loads of logs down here, the smaller logs, not the big ones. We're gonna head up here to the pile at the neighbors, and I'm gonna show you how big these stumps are, the base of the tree, or that main trunk anyway. And I'm gonna use the tractor and push them out of his yard over into mine just to get them out of the way, so I can keep working on getting the smaller stuff out. And those stumps, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Think about calling a guy that does chainsaw carving and seeing if he wants to come over and get them, because I think there's 2 big ones, maybe 3. Be something he could use. So I don't know, but we're gonna go push them out of the way. Y'all see how big these dang stumps are. We'll cut this one. We'll try to cut it. Bring it down to the wood pile. But the saw's getting dull. He was trying to curve, so I need to go sharpen it. These things are like 4 foot across. And here's the stump higher up in the tree where it starts branching. I don't know if I want to cut them or not with all the nuts. They might split. The knots, I mean, they might split. We'll see. I'm just trying to get them out of the way so I can get the rest of the stuff and get his yard cleaned out for me. Since he piled this up for me, he's giving it to me. Let's get it down the wood pile, see if we can sharpen the chainsaw and get some wood split. I don't know if y'all remember this big old log tree I cut down about a year ago. Probably a year and a half, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get a few more logs cut up. I know I could get this one with the tractor, so I'm gonna see if I can get it cut up a little bit so I can get the tractor down here and get what I can off of it and take it up there to split.
All right, y'all. My battery died, so I don't know how much cutting that log up we got. But I got, let's see, there's 3 there, 4, probably 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 at least to take up to the splitter. So I'll get them with the tractor probably tomorrow. Probably gonna open that tomorrow too. I gotta check, walk it one more time just to make sure there ain't nothing on the fence, or make sure the electric's up. That last rain we got opened up a hole at the bottom, so I gotta address that. I don't think they'll go through it, but I need to throw something right there to block it. I got plenty of hay right there, and this waste on the side there on the ground. Most of the time they use for bedding. So we might this evening bring the trailer down here and take a bunch of it up, put it in the barn right there, and that little goat shelter. Give the mothers something warm. Alright, I think that's it for this video. Been out here, probably 6-7 hours in the cold. Burnt through 2 or 3, I think 3 tanks of gas in the chainsaw. Got a decent bit done. So I'm gonna go in the house, get the fire going real good, get the house warmed up, bring some wood in off the porch, try to get this video edited. And I got a lead or 2 to follow up on and some stuff like that. But I'll be back and forth checking on the fire down there at the pigs. I did throw some more stuff on it, some wood and branches and stuff. So I'll be down there checking on it. But other than that, that's it for this one. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all again for watching. Like, subscribe, share it. See y'all next time.